be careful. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Cheryl here. My name is Cheryl. I make videos about wellness, skincare, lifestyle, occasion, fashion related. If you're interested in all this content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever there's a new video. Today's video is wellness, lifestyle related. I am going to unbox this new appliance that I got and I'm just super excited. It's a huge box. Without further ado, let's unbox this babe and check out what it's got. So, this is a huge box. And basically it takes up the whole front. Let me talk about why I got the Breville super cute blender. I've had a couple of blenders in the past and wasn't completely satisfied with blender, the quality of it. And it's not like the multifunctional type. When I came across the Breville one, I just saw they have this noise suppression technology that's making the machine less loud. I was just like really excited to get it. Unbox this and we're just gonna look at it. So this box is huge. The first thing you see, there's the manual. It shows you, all the parts of this machine, how to use it. Well, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna lift this thing up. You open the box, other than the manual, it will be a smoothie recipe hardcover. This will be my first commercial grade appliance, commercial grade blender that I purchased, with my own money. I love this smoothie book. It's so pretty. Look at all the graphics, so organized. Once again, I love the hardcover. So the first thing that I want to talk about is this travel lid. I feel like this is the sturdiest travel lid I've ever owned. I do own 2 Ninja blenders, but this one just feels super solid. Things that I notice and love is the tamper and the scraper. They're not too heavy even though they're super sturdy feeling. Or something on the other side? No. So this is, whoa. Oh my god, I gotta be careful because this thing is like lopsided. It was fine. I totally thought I was gonna knock the whole thing over. Ooh, huge. Look at this. Hello, I'm right here. I mean, you can't see me. This is like huge. Here comes the blender. Wow. Oh my god. This is huge base. Like, this is legit when you're making a smoothie for people. I mean, soon you'll be seeing like Cheryl's smoothie shop. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. You gotta be careful, I don't want to drop this. This is kind of heavy. Kind of like when you're, in the gym, like working out with those dumbbells. Stainless steel. So pretty. You know what? That's the reason that I actually decided on the Breville one. When you're looking for a commercial grade blender, couple top rivalries or just like competitors on the market. Vitamix is one of them, but the reason that I did not get Vitamix, gosh, it's ugly. Like this one just so beautiful. The whole design just so sleek looking. I have to admit, that's the first thing that really got me. Well, we're gonna talk about what's on the base. As you can see, you have on and off, pause, cancel, ice crush, clean button to self-clean the blender cup, smoothie function, green smoothie, frozen dessert, then you have timer. This one you can set the timer how long you want to blend your thing. We have soup. Soup function is another thing that actually got me because I've always been wanting a blender that makes hot soup. You know why I got this one? It's because of the noise suppression technology. A lot of people who got this and the review said it's much quieter than other blenders on the market. I came across reviews talking about this machine being loud, so I wasn't sure if this is actually quieter or it was just when you purchase something like with certain price tag, you kind of just want to tell yourself like it is going to be quieter. And someone else, it's like an Amazon review, it says love it despite needing to wear ear protection. It was like, that was the part that really got me, and I was like, is it really gonna be super loud? If it's super loud, I don't want it. Since it said there's a noise suppression technology, supposedly it's gonna be less noisy than all the other blenders. That's just something to find out. You're actually getting a commercial grade blending machine. So solid. On top it says BPA free, so that's good to know because you don't want to be like blending all these like nasty chemical or just BPA into your drinks or like your food, right? It has a measurement on the cup. I'm going to put on the ground. I'm not putting anywhere like high because I don't want to drop this. This will be the lid for the cup. There's my manual. So this one's designed to vent steam and prevent splatter. I love it, I think it's super solid. I mean, how many times do I have to use the word solid? It's just like really good design. I mean, design is everything for like a home appliance. It really is, you know, you can't expect something to work great and then the design is just super stupid looking. At least for me, you know, I want something that looks good, functions really good as well. It's an 1800 watts super motor. This lid I'm gonna put on top. It doesn't matter which way it's going on top. Just like put on top. This will be like the blender cup, personal blender cup. And it looks like it's gonna hold way more than the Ninja blender cup. I love it. I really do love this design. The design, the grip, it gives you that firm grip. This is the personal blender blade system. This one you put on top of the base. You can start blending smoothie, green smoothie. Man, the design is so perfect. Have your smoothie cup. Super convenient that you don't have to wash different like a blender cup. I really love the grip of this blender cup. For solid, I mean, I hate to say, like, how many times do you have to like say the word solid? Like, it has such a great grip, especially when you're on the go. You know, it won't slip or anything. You know, it just fits like so perfect in your hand. This feels like such a quality product, you know. So I guess I just need to find out how loud this machine is by using it, considering it is a commercial grade blender at home. So yeah, that completes today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments below what type of blender you have, or would you want a Breville Super Q blender. Also, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.